Hi Brownie, Catnopia's Freak here, and today I have my contest entry for your LPS Ultimate Challenge. So the lookalike is for my cat Perdita, and I hope you understand that it's really hard to do a tortoiseshell cat, so that's why this was late. And I promise that none of my other entries will be this late. Even if they're a tiny bit late, they won't ever be this late. So here is the cat that is supposed to look like Perdita. I tried to copy her markings by drawing with black marker on her, but if it doesn't look exact, I hope you understand the tortoiseshell cat has very detailed markings. So here she is. Her name is Katrina, and as you can see, I marked her up and everything to make her look somewhat like my cat. She has the same eye color and everything, and out of all of my 150 pet shops, I chose her. And here's a picture of my actual cat. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed.
Hey, I'm gonna say the ending. Bye, thanks for watching.